Jason, Hollis Farms today. At Dodge up in the house today. Got the big Tex trailer hooked to the 16 Dodge. Me and Dodge is making a little road trip. We got to go over in the Delta and pick up a little bit of equipment from my buddy Mitt. Part of the equipment is ours, and he got hung up over in the Delta yesterday and ain't got a trailer. I said, me and Dodge will hook up and we'll come pick it up for him. So we headed that way. I'll be back. I'm gonna tell y'all something. Dodge is my buddy. Y'all see him over there pouting? He just peed on my seat. And I had to frail him. Can't have that. Some people may not like whooping, but we ain't gonna pee in my truck. He may not do that again. He's been doing that here lately, not in the truck, just everywhere. I guess he's growing up, getting a little cocky. I have to knock him back down a notch. Alright, y'all know you can't make a road trip without eating sausage and cheese. Got a big old large sweet tea. Dodge still thinks I'm mad at him. Alright, so me and Dodge had to make a couple of stops after we ate breakfast, and we are now on the highway. We are on Highway 82, headed west towards the Mississippi Delta. Mississippi, home of the Mississippi State Bulldogs. We got any Bulldog fans out there? Y'all comment below if we do. Alright, we're going around Kill Michael, Mississippi. Cruising right along. Dodge is taking him a nap. I think he kind of likes these road trips. Winona, Mississippi. Easing on down the road. May have to have something else to eat here in a minute. May wait until I get loaded after a while and get something. Hard to ride by these restaurants. Alright, there's I-55, north and south. But we're gonna stay on 82 a little bit longer. I don't know if I showed y'all, but I got me a new phone. And they talked me into one of these chargers. As you notice, it don't hold the phone up, which that's alright. But it's a wireless charger. You just stick your phone in that little cradle, and it connects and charges it. You're running this GPS thing, map deal, charging your phone while you're rolling. Pretty good idea. Coming into Greenwood, Mississippi. I don't think we got about a couple miles where we gotta go. I'm gonna put this camera down and make sure I don't get lost. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we have arrived. We finna load up. Alright, we loaded, ready to roll. Here comes the boss, Mitt, right there. We're gonna check it out and make sure we're getting what we're supposed to get. Alright, so we loaded back up, and me and Mitt's gonna go get a bite to eat. What that is on there is 2 spray rigs. Some of my past videos, y'all seen that Mitt came over and we sprayed, and I had to have one. One of them's another buddy of ours. I'm gonna haul them back in that down at Mitt's place back in one of our early videos. Mitt doesn't have any water on his place, so this is a 1,000-gallon water tank where he'll have water to use for his spray rigs and chemicals and stuff. So we've been to get a bite to eat here in Greenwood, Mississippi, and I'll be back. All right, y'all, we made it back. Dodge is stretching his legs a little bit. 2 spray rigs and a big water tank. We'll have this thing out with some Roundup in it before long, testing it out. I'll show y'all more about that when I get it out. If y'all like our stuff, subscribe to us. Hollis Farms, hats, t-shirts, and stickers, hollisfarms.com. Appreciate y'all watching. Out of here.